Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you how to create a dashboard, that is storyboarding dashboard, using a free tool online. So this is free for 14 days. You can sign up using your Google account, and if you wish you can purchase the premium version also. So let me show you how it works. You can go there and say create new storyboard. So once you do that, it is going to ask you for the folder in which you want to save, and you can say so I'm gonna mention any name here, Mr. No Trial. So after coming here, you can see various storyboards, just like comic strips. You can create various storyboards here. So let me show you. So for example, these are the various backgrounds you have right now. So you can choose outdoor, indoor, and various kinds of backgrounds here. So let me pull one of the background here, right? So immediately when I pull it, I see this coming up here. If I want to pull another one, I can do that. So similarly, I can pull different kinds of background. So if I want to pull character in, I can choose various characters. Say for example, if I want kids, I can choose them here. And if I want adult, I can choose them too. So as you can see here, and I can customize a lot of things here. Skin color, skin tone, all those things can be customized. So now let's say this is the kid here. So now you can even customize the pose if you want to. If you want the child to stand like this towards the right and with an expression where he is talking something and his arms are stretched a bit when he's talking, all those things can be updated. So based on that, it's changing. So in this way you can create. So if I want to make this person sit down, let me see if that is possible based on the legs, based on the expression. There are ways to make them sit too, I think. Yeah, so if you click here, you can see here, let's say the child is talking to the mother. So mother is having a black hair. So all those things can be configured from here. Now let's say, let's try to add some speech bubbles here. Let's say the child is asking his mother a question. So the child is asking, Mom, do you know what is Bitcoin? That can be a question mark. So as you can see here, in this way you can create various storyboards, even entire narration of a story, just like we have comic strips. So based after that, you can just save and exit. That's what I'm doing here. I'm going to say save and exit. So after doing that, you can download this. So if I say download, if I select image pack, each storyboard will be downloaded as one separate image. If I select high resolution image, the entire storyboard will be downloaded as a single image with a high resolution. So that's how it works. So let me show you the Mr. No high trial resolution one here. So let me try to open it and show it up. So let me say open it with this. Yeah, so you see this. That's how you create a storyboard. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.